Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Sohibul Firmansyah, and my friend.
I am Renaldi Putra Fidris.
We will present a podcast here that discusses technology. What do you think about this very rapid technology advancement, both from the entertainment sector, industry, and others?
I think it's very good because there are many things that are useful for people who can afford it, exploit, and use it.
The development of technology is very fast. In your opinions, what factor influence the development of the technology life cycle?
In my opinion, the first factor is the market. The market is very influential because the growth of technology depends on market demand. Second is resource. The survival of technology also depends on the resource that support it. And third, the emergence of new, more sophisticated technology.
What is the relationship between technology and market demand that you mentioned earlier?
There is a theory that says that technology is created on the basis of market demand. When the old technology is considered obsolete and the market needs a replacement, a new technology that is useful will be created according on the demand.
Well, if you look at the benefits, it's not technology like a double-edged sword for people.
It does look like that, but if we look at it as a whole, then technology progress has a very important role in everyday life, where we all have to be ready with it.
Can you give example of the benefit of technology advance in everyday life?
For benefit, like we can easily receive information, because with progress social media that can help spread information will be very easily conveyed throughout the region. Then another benefit is that we can easily communicate. Maybe you can feel it too. We can even see the face of people who are very far from us. With technological sophistication, many of us call it video calls. Another benefit is that shopping is also practical. We can even order the things we want from home, like online shop. Then another benefit is that learning is also easier. With online class, it can make it easier for some teachers to convey materials to their students. Materials and tutorial about the task can also be easily obtained with the presence of information distribution media. For other, there must be many more. If I mention all of it, it will be very long. And because I also have limited knowledge about ongoing technological advance, so I can only give that answer.
In this current era, technology development can change unexpectedly. 3. 4. Can a technology be lost? What factor do you think contributes to the loss of technology?
Like the life cycle of human and other creatures, the life cycle of technology will also eventually experience extinction. There are several technologies that are experiencing development and experiencing a new cycle, but there are also technologies that can no longer be recycled. Factors for the loss of technology include the complexity of the technology itself, or the resources that support the technology are difficult to obtain and there are no substitutes.
But what do you think about the overuse of gadgets from most people? Because if you look at it for now, most people are busy with their respective cell phones, even when gathering activities feel very lonely because they are busy with the phone. It's not that also because of technology advances.
For overused, it can be said they have a bad impact. Most people actually have to be able to realize the technological advance in the field of smartphone Users should also be smart like the device they use, because we actually use technology to make it easier for us, not just positioning us with bad things like that, but it can actually also be overcome by adapting in our spare time. Maybe we can use it for family times without spending time with the smartphone. We can also feel other activities such as exercising or other good things that can fill our spare time. So, if these good things are carried out continuously, I'm sure the activities of research on smartphone will be overcome.
Maybe it's quite difficult for today's people to do. But thank you, the suggestion can definitely be useful for all of you. Now I want to ask you, what technology progress do you really feel?
Because I'm student and our country is also affected by the virus, so online class are definitely what I really feel.
How can this feeling possibly be explained?
Yes, sometimes it's very fun because we can still carry out activities learning. On the other side, it's actually very boring because from me personally, I actually like offline learning activities. But what can I do? Because the situation is also difficult.
Maybe there is message you want to say regarding the theme of our discussion.
I hope that all of them are able to take advantage of the advancement technology in any way for good things, because we are also being affected by the coronavirus. So keep implementing the health protocol from the government and stay healthy. I can send many messages, but it's not fair if only me to give a message. Maybe you can also add other message.
From me, we have to filter everything so that we don't fall into the trap, the bad impact. We have to be smart people in using technology advance. Stay healthy for all of you. Well, maybe that's all we can say. If we say something wrong, we apologize profusely. The end of my words is Soebul Firmansyah and my friends.
I am Renaldi Putra Fitris.
Thank
Thanks.
you.
Wassalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.